I've created the New Year's Revolution program for people to kick off 2019 by totally transforming their lives. I want them to light up the new year with a real buzz in their body, motivation in their mind, giving them meaning and purpose that will truly make their soul sing. I want 2019 to be the year when personal transformation takes unimaginable leaps forward for you. Please join me on this exceptional retreat. Relax in the luxurious surroundings in one of the world's most elite resorts. Release and let go as the delightful staff cater to your every need. Refuel with the most sumptuous and nourishing delicacies from both East and West. Recharge with spa therapies and treatments from the dedicated specialists. Re-energize your body and mind with my daily yoga and restorative classes, specifically designed to relax the body, harmonize the mind, and bring greater life balance. Reconnect with yourself and others through fun exercises, laughter and camaraderie as you meet and share with like-minded, motivated people. Revitalize with my daily workshops and individual coaching sessions that showcase the very best scientific knowledge and practical tools that will change your life forever. Please join me in Bali in January 2019 for a New Year's revolution you'll never forget.